So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and fix your Slack not working. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why your Slack messages might not work at all is usually because there might be some issues going on within the website, within the application, or within your cell signal. Number one, I would just recommend going through and just double checking your Wi-Fi connection and your cell connection. So try going through, try turning on or off your Wi-Fi connection, try turning on and off your cell connection, and that's another big thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about. So go through, try turning it off, try turning it on, and that's another very big thing I'd kind of recommend thinking about. Now, the next thing I kind of recommend doing is to try going through is if you have the application portion, I would probably recommend just going through and just try re-updating the application. So go inside of your app store, try updating that particular app, and that could be another very big thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about. So try doing that. I think for a lot of people that will probably end up fixing the problem for you. Now, if you try doing that and that's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing after that is to try going through and try canceling out or closing out of Slack entirely. So close out of the Slack application, give it a few moments, and try opening it back up. Sometimes, again, that might end up fixing it for you, and that's another very big thing I kind of recommend thinking about. So those are kind of the main things to kind of do here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.